Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a quick and simple card using some Christmas items from the new mini catalog. We have the Christmas Tags and More Mix and Match Designer Series paper. It's the specialty paper because it has some ephemera. It is 6x6. We have the Greetings for You Mix and Match ephemera. And we're going to be using the branching out dies. This is an online exclusive, I do believe. No, this isn't the mini catalog. This isn't a mini catalog. Okay, so before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over some buzz-worthy business of the day. We have our Cozy Christmas paper pumpkin kit that's going to create 9 Christmas cards with classic charm. The classic stamping spot is Pecan Pie. And we have the Abundant Joy add-on dies available for $12. The item number is 167855. These dies are going to coordinate with October, November, and December paper pumpkin kits. And I do have a link in the description box below to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you have not already done so. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem your rewards on future orders. Track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up account, and your rewards do expire after 12 months of the earning date. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed with new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. Okay, and that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get back to our project. Okay, so now let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is start with our inside. I have a piece of basic white here that is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and I have some designer series paper that is 3/4 inches, and we're going to just put it along the side here using some of our Stampin' Seal adhesive, if I can get that to go all the way to the ends there. We're just going to add this right to the edge, and I'm going to cut off any overhang. Get my scissors. Just trim that off. This card has no stamping. So we have a card base here of Cherry Cobbler, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And we're going to add our inside piece on there. Okay, so that's done. So now we can move on to our card. So I have some gold foil that I have, it's 5 1/4 by 4, and I've already cut, what is that called? The branching out die out of the middle. Then we have a piece of our designer series paper. This is 5 1/8 by 3 7/8, and we're just going to attach this to our gold. So we're going to be using the side with the partial wreath. Although I do love this side of the paper. It is gorgeous. So we're just going to add this on with a little border. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And we're going to add this to our card base. Okay, let's see. I want it this way. I have that. Okay, and then I have some more Cherry Cobbler. This is a 2 3/8 inch circle that I use the circle punch to punch this out. And we're going to pop this up on Stampin' Dimensionals. Oh, I need some big ones. Where are my big dimensionals? Come off the paper, please. Okay, and let's just go ahead and cut up some of our edge pieces here. Get used, oh, I didn't mean to take the backing off, but that's okay. We have to take it off eventually, right? And we'll just put this one right here. Okay, so let's move this to the side, get the backings off of all of these. We're going to add this to our card in a minute. So then I have some of the ephemera pack pieces from the designer series paper pack, and we're going to add this onto the back. I have a die cut from the branching out dies in the gold foil, and we want to add that on here as well. So let me just go ahead and put a little bit of adhesive on the back, on the front of this. Oh, let me make sure I'm staying in frame so you can see. I'm just going to add a little bit of adhesive on the front of that die cut so I can place it right there. Okay, and then we're going to add this to our card base. Let me put some more adhesive right here. Okay, we're going to add this right here onto our card base like that. Ooh, I don't have this down far enough. Let's poke that in some more. There we go. Then we're going to take our sentiment. Is going to be from the Greetings for You Ephemera pack, and these are stickers, so I'm just going to peel off the backing. I love these things because they're easy to use, ready to go. Ooh. And they're all gold and white, so that's the only color on these. Where's my take your pick tool? Because my fingernails broke and now I'm having a hard time getting things up. I don't have my nails that I'm used to having. Oh, goodness. I say they're easy to use and ready to go, but that was kind of difficult, wasn't it? Bent up my little sentiment here. So we're just going to pop this down like this. Just like that. And then we're going to get some bling. And for the bling, I am using the traditional sparkling sequins. And we're going to add a couple of the gold ones. Or, yeah, I think I'm going to do the gold ones. I need to start using other colors, don't I? Because I'm going to use up all the gold ones and I won't have any left. That's okay. That just gives me a reason to buy more. We'll put that one there. Quick and easy. Simple. We're done. Isn't that cute? Just nice and simple. And I think I will add maybe a dimensional up under this right here so it won't lay flat. So I'm going to cut a little piece of dimensional and just stick it under there. But I'll do that later. But this is our card today. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.